We came up here last summer and I did the railing. It took me 2 weeks. This year, my goal is to do the rest of the deck and restain it, get it fixed up for the winter. From the laying of the foundation, work began, bringing all the logs to that altitude and that height overlooking the valley, setting up the walls, working in the cold of spring. Unceasing work, never ending, was our chore, risking heights and laying logs. Then there's general maintenance. Once everything is built, it never seems to be over. Work, work, work. Windows, caulking at high altitudes on a step ladder that's scary. And then of course, safe things like painting doors. And then I worked on the inside, bunks, making furniture to save money. Work, work, work. But it's a blessing when it was all done. We can rest and truly say, home sweet home.
Well, the deck is finally finished, and I'm enjoying just the nice little fire pit and the calm day out here, and just the joy of knowing a job is finished and well done. There's nothing like it. The scripture even tells us that it's wonderful to fear the Lord and to enjoy the work of our hands. I was reading right here in Ecclesiastes about young people. It says, rejoice, young man, in your youth, and let your heart cheer you in the days of your youth, and walk in the ways of your heart and in the sight of your eyes. But know that you will be held accountable before God for the things that you do. Therefore remove sorrow from your heart and put away evil from your flesh. For childhood and youth are vanity. But the main thing is you want to spend some time knowing God and enjoying what He's given you by the work of your hands. He doesn't want laziness. He'll never reward laziness, but He will let you enjoy the fruit of your labor. So I want you to pause and ponder this word.